here we will describe the terms related to the sounds and the sound waves. So here is the terms and different types of the terms is available here, and terms related to the sound wave. Terms related to the sound wave. Okay, terms related to the sound waves. Here are different terms available here. So with the help of these, we will try to understand each and every terms. Okay, so terms related to the sound waves will be described. I will describe it one by one. So here is the how many terms. Terms is here. So first terms is wavelength. Wavelength. Second terms is here. So that is called wavelengths and frequency. Frequency. Third is time period. Time period. Fourth is we can say that amplitude. Amplitude. And fifth is speed. These are first we will describe the wavelength. Wavelength of sound. So what is wavelength of sound? The difference between the two compression or two rarefactions. The difference between two compression. C or two rarefaction are rarefactions are called wavelength. Wavelength represented by lambda. It's a lambda. Lambda unit is meter. Yes, unit is meter. Small. Okay. Yes, unit is meters. Now second we will take the second term. Say here is called the second term is frequency. First, second, frequency. What will be the frequency? We will define your frequencies one by one. The number of complete waves. Number of complete wave or oscillation in a given complete oscillations in 1 second in given 1 second called frequency. It does not change. It always remain unchanged in changing medium, represented by nu. This is nu or nu, and SI unit is also meters. Frequency here is meter. Sorry, frequency hertz. Hertz. Okay. Third, we will describe here so time periods. Time period. Okay. So time periods is the time period. Times taken by the two compression or two depressions. The time taken by two compression or two compression C or two rarefaction time taken to compression of two rare fractions in taken by two compression or two rare fractions across a fixed point across a fixed point, okay, called time period. Okay, so denoted by capital T, and unit is second. Yes, okay. Now we will take the amplitude. Here is the for amplitudes. What is amplitudes? Amplitudes is the maximum displacement of particles of the maximum displacement of the particles of wave. Okay, amplitudes. Here is the amplitudes means that maximum displacement of the particles of a medium from their original points. Wave of the medium from its original point. Original points from its original point. Original means not points, means. Okay, original means on. Okay, so original means so it is original means from the maximum displacement from original means positions on passing a wave through the mediums. Passing a wave through a medium. Passing a wave through a medium called amplitude. It's denoted by capital A, and the unit. Its unit is unit. SI unit is also meter. Yeah. Now final we will take here the speeds. Speed is the distance traveled by a wave in a second. Distance traveled by waves in even times or 1 second called speed. Okay, so here is the either we know that v is equal to we know that time periods, as already we have discussed about the time periods and wavelength. We had right here so the wavelengths and the amplitudes. So one by one, so we will describe here t is equal to 1 by t, as we had further near described. So that the time period is equal to 1 by frequency. Time period is equal to 1 by frequency v. So we can write here, so frequency nu is equal to, so speed is equal to lambda by t, and time period is equal to this, and the speed is equal to, here we will write the time period t is equal to lambda by nu v, and the speed is equal to, so speed is equal to lambda by t. So we can write here v is equal to, so v is equal to 1 by t, v is equal to 1 by t, as we know. So we can see here, so v equal to lambda, sorry, small v is equal to lambda 2. These are the these are the different relations of time periods. It's a speed and also frequency too, that is represented by news. Okay, thank you very much for commenting. Once again, I am giving you my warm welcome. Thank you. Okay, bye bye.